Did you know Dune Productions doesn't just create epic stories for UAE kids? Oh no, we do so much more. We run bespoke history workshops because why just read about the past when you can time travel? Well, almost. And we provide technical and creative support for your school productions so the drama is on stage and not backstage. You're welcome, teachers. We handle theatre installations and upgrades, turning the "is this thing on" to "wow, is this West End?" Need gear? Our equipment rentals have you covered. Lights, mics, and everything in between, because the show must go on, along with the lights and the mics. And teachers, we've got CPD programs to bring some performance magic to your classroom. Dune Productions is more than just stories. We make sure the spotlight's always on you. Literally.